We begin with a crime alert tonight, an alarming trend in Mobile.
Homicides are up year to year. 9 of those deaths are still unsolved.
NBC 15's Rachel Wilkerson breaks down the numbers and shows us where these acts of violence are taking place. Rachel?
Kim and Andrea, we plotted each of the homicides from this past year, trying to see if there are specific danger zones.
To have 45 at this point of the year, which happens to be 5 more than we finished the year with last year, yes, I'm surprised.
2020 is almost over, but the violence will have a lifelong impact on 45 families. Mobile Police Chief Lawrence Batiste says this violence often stemming from beef between the suspect and victim.
These aren't random drug crimes where somebody pulls up on the street corner and sprays the block. They're usually known associates that have some type of ongoing conflict with one another.
This map shows the 45 places a life was taken this year. Chief Batiste says there isn't one crime-stricken area that he is targeting for extra patrols.
No particular cluster. There's no particular predictor of, this area is more prone to having a homicide than another area.
What is a surprise for Chief Batiste, 11 females have been suspects in the 36 solved cases. That's 30%.
That's a trend I had never seen, again, in my 30-year career.
Not only are 9 families still waiting for justice this year, there are still no answers for the 12 unsolved homicide cases in 2019.
If you have any information that can help us bring some closure to these families, please assist us by doing that.
There is a $2,500 reward for information that leads to an arrest and conviction. That goes for all unsolved cases. Give MPD a call at 208-7211 if you have any information. Kim?